Today's topic is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem states that the areas of the squares built upon the hypotenuse of a right angle triangles is equals to the sums of the areas of the squares upon the remaining sides. This is a hypotenuse, this is a base, this is a height. C square is equal to a square plus b square is the hypotenuse formula. Is in 90 degrees. For this, use of Pythagoras theorem is a programming. In these diagrams below, find the coordinates of point B and C. This is a diagram. This is a 40 for this angle. For this is this, and the radius is the 50, and the 7.0 B and A and C. One square is equal to 15 square minus 8 square. Therefore, L1 12.688. Similarity, 1 L2 is equal to 12.688. Therefore, coordinates of point B are x 27.312, y 0.0. Coordinate of point C are x 52.688, y 0.0. Coordinate geometry. Our coordinate system castenate coordinates is my x minus x plus y minus origin origin x 0.y0. Example 1. In the diagrams below, find the coordinates of a point A, B, C, D. Is B and C and A and D is the 50 by 100 for this triangle. This is a job. This is a angle of x, y minus and plus. X minus, y minus plus x, y plus. Coordinate A x 0.0 y 0.0. B x 0.0 y 50.0. C x 100.0 y 50.0. D x 100.0 y 0.0. Example 2. In the diagrams below, find the coordinates of points A, B, C, D. This is 100. This is the triangles of 45.5 by 105.5. Is a coordinate for A x 0.0 y 0.0. B x 0.0 y 45.5. C x 105.5 y 45.5. D x 105.5 y 0.5 0.0. Example 3rd. In the diagrams below, find the coordinates of point A, B, C, D and E. This is a diagram. 100 by 15 for the triangles. For this is 40 150 degree. A and B and C and D and E. This is a coordinates. This is the coordinates for this diagrams. And A is x 0.0 y 0.0. B x 0.0 y 50.0. C x 17.0 y 50.0. D x 100.0 y 32.679. E x 100.0 y 0.0. Example 4th. In the diagrams below, find the coordinates of points A, B, C, D and E. This is a 90 by 14 is a 160 degree for 17 mm for this, and this 60 and 20 mm for these angles. For the coordinates for A and B and C and D and E. A is x 0.0 y 0.0. B x 0.0 y 32.72. C x 20.0 y 40.0. D x 19.0 y 14.0. X 19.0 y 0.0. Fifth example. Find the coordinates of point A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is a radius 10, x 0, y 0. This is the starting point origin x 0, y 0. 18 by 16 for this A and B and C, D, E, F, G, H. For this, for coordinates A x 0.0 y 10.0. B x 0.0, y 15.0. C, x 10.0, y 16.0. D, x 17.0, y 16.0. E, x 18.0, y 15.0. F, x 18.0, y 10.0. G, x 17.0, y 0.0. H, x 10.0, y 0.0. Example 6. Find the coordinates of ABCD. ABCD is a 30 mm square to be the machined at the centers of the 100 by 15 mm plate. For this is a job size of diagrams and 100 by 15s. There is a coordinate for the active are the calculate to calculate the work. 0 is at the outside corner of the components. In so coordinates for ABCD: AX 35.0, Y 10.0, X 35.0, Y 14.0, C X 65.0, Y 40.0, D X 65.0, Y 10.0. Example 7. Find the coordinates of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H for the 100 by 54. For coordinates for the diagrams for 50 mm depth for 30 mm. There are also for the coordinates for the creative are to be the calculate the work. 0 is at the outside corners of a components as so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, X 13.0, Y 14.0. B, X 13.0, Y 40, X 20.0, Y 47.0. D, 80.0, Y 47.0. E, X 87.0, Y 14.0. F, 87.0, Y 14.0. G, X 18.0, Y 7.0. H, X 20.0, Y 7.0. Example 8. Find the coordinates of points A, B, C as the respect to the x0, y0 diameters of a circle is 100 mm. For diagrams for this, and this is the coordinates for the x0, y0 is a origin point x A, x 0.0, y 18.0, 80.0. B, x 69.828, y minus 14.0. C x minus 69.8282, y minus 14.0, x minus 46.188, y 0.0. K is an auxiliary point required to the correctly machines in the 84.1 CRSC mode. When the cutters move the along point K, ABC, the round workpiece is converted into the triangular job. Example 9. Find the coordinates of a point ABCD with respect to the x0, y0 diameters of a circle is the 100 mm. For this is the origin point x0, y0 is the auxiliary point is K minus 135.355 y0. A, x minus 35.355, y 35.355. B, x 35.55, y 35.355. X 35.355, y minus 35.355. D is x 35.355, y 35.355. When the cutters move the along point K, A, B, C, D, the rounds workpiece in the converted into the square job. Example 10. Find the coordinates of a point A, B, C, D, E, F with respect to the x, y0. Diameters of a circle is 100 mm. For this, the origin point is the x0, y0, and the auxiliary point for the x minus 37.35, y 21.65. A, x minus 25.0, y 43.301. B, x 25.0, y 43.310. C, x 50.0, y 0.0. D, 25.0, y minus 43.301. E, x minus 25.0, y 40 minus 43.301. F, x minus 50.0, y 0.0. When the cutter When the cutter move along the point K, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, the round workpiece in the converted in the hexagon job. Topic is done.